Hey, okay, so we're back with our scene, and I think we were just going over the repairing part, and I added this road pavement type of texture as well, so we can get a realistic looking thing. So if we just look at our phone booth now, I think it's off the ground, and need to kind of adjust this to the floor. So this is, yeah, oh wait a second, yeah, the texture I used was in this kind of a setup, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and just tweak it a bit. Make it a little bit. Wait a second, yeah, I was supposed to use it on the floor. Kind of started tweaking the phone booth anyway. So we're back on this, and now we can keep tweaking it, make it a little darker. Oh, that's too dark, wait. That's way too dark, I think. Still. Might just have looked good light. I don't know. It's supposed to look like pavement, that's the thing. Oops, kind of looks okay, I think. Yeah, just as it was. It's fine. Now, there is this other one that looks pretty good. I guess I could just check out these other ones as well. You can get any texture you want, it's not really a big deal. Might just stick with this. Looks like a decent pavement texture anyway. Oh, what's this? Let me just get rid of these. Could use one of these at different positions in the scene. Just randomly put them anywhere. It's because I got them, otherwise I probably wouldn't have remembered to add them. At least at this point, maybe later down the line, don't know what the hell this is. I could add it anyway because it looks kind of cool. Maybe somewhere here near our scene so we can actually see it in the camera. Oh, still can't see it. Somewhere around here maybe. Doesn't matter. Can't actually see it. The manhole thing. Could be in the corner, I don't know. Maybe we're going to be adding like street lights and stuff so we can move it ahead a bit so it doesn't take up so much space. Can't really see in the camera. I guess it doesn't matter so much. This needs to be adjusted just a bit. That looks better. Yeah, that looks pretty nice. And we can go ahead and maybe just tweak this a bit. Kind of close together. So put it back there. Closer to the building. And it's basically just tweaking stuff, I guess. Yeah, that looks fine. What's this? Like a separate road? Oh, it's the actual road. Maybe it's... Oh, this. You don't need this. Definitely don't need this. That looks better. Weird things that are just... I think there's another one here. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's fine now. We got it all. Okay, so... The roads are... there. Won't really be able to see the intersection. So the trees, could place the trees randomly at different spots. Just adds to the ambience of the scene. That looks pretty good. The one with the bus stop and nice tree effect. think we can actually is leveled. It looks to scale as well, pretty much. So yeah, according to the phone booth and everything, is kind of off center just a bit. And now you can see in our scene, looks pretty much good to go. Quickly save that, and let's see, what do we need to work on next. This road looks kind of weird. Just tweak that a bit. And just trying to add a few cuts to maybe get like a, you know, like a bump or like a little border, I guess, for the roads, for the pavement, I mean. Just select these and get them in maybe solid view. And let's see if we can bevel these so that it looks more realistic. Just an added touch. We don't really need it, but it might make our pavement look a bit better. So if we bevel this, that should be fine. Maybe with a few, just extrude it a bit, not too much, hopefully. Oh, that's kind of high. Yeah, just a bit. Could add a subdivision, but that'll just ruin ours. See, you know, we don't really need that many polys anyway. So if I just bevel this a bit further, yeah, we can make it roundish. So it's like a little border for our pavement. It actually looks good, I think, and it will look good. Could actually try making these a bit lower or something. Just do what you think looks right. Maybe compare with reference images and stuff, because that helps a lot as well. Oh, this manhole is kind of, I went lower than it should have. Kind of to the side as well. Okay, this one too. Nice. Can't see it. Move it a bit higher, that's fine. Cool. Can't really tell about the border, but it does look a bit better, I guess. It's just the subtle details. It doesn't have to be so much in your face and so visible, but should be there. Oh, this is kind of a weird little thing, but I guess I could just place it inside somehow. Oh, that looks fine. We don't really be able to see it from so far away, so I can get away with this as well, I think. Or I might just delete it later if I don't think it looks that good. I think that's looking good now, and pretty much done with this part. I think we can move on to adding more stuff to our scene. Maybe, I don't know, some traffic lights or some street lights, stuff to get more details into our scene. Yeah, that's good. So I guess I'll move on to the next thing.